we do have the white and gold, the Rishi check. So it's pretty, but yeah, we can use those three.
Okay.
I can scan the black. I brought this one, but we're not gonna open it.
Right.
And then I had this 2.5-inch black faux de peony.
That would go with it too.
Yeah.
You already scanned that.
Yep.
Okay.
Where do you want this one?
What about the top? Well, I don't know. Yeah, no. The bottom, I guess. No, the top.
Bottom, top.
Bottom. Don't want to cover up the Merry Christmas, but if we put the bow up there, it might cover up too much of the poinsettia.
You want to do the thing again?
Corner?
Do the corner?
Oh, okay. Make it small. Make it small. Okay.
Yeah, silver would be pretty. I didn't bring any silver.
I think I'm going to go dark gold and the light on top.
Okay.
What do you think?
Perfect.
So we did the other 5 inches.
Gotcha.
I'll try to make better cuts this time.
I think it's some scissors.
Could see.
It's probably your gift wrapping scissors.
And of course, this ribbon is glittered on one side and plain on the other, so you have to turn it, twist it. And then a 4-inch loop.
These are the scissors I used to get whippings for playing with.
Those are my good scissors.
I used to get
You could take those to work and sharpen them.
to get in trouble.
So I'm going to do 4-inch loops on each side, and I think I'll go ahead and do 2 loops on each side. Give it a good base, good black base. I wanted to work on designing some signs this weekend.
I thought Tyler was going to come with you. Good job. You decided.
She was, but I said don't come last night because, it was dark and it was dark.
Right, because the 24-year-olds,
Well,
they don't need to be out past dark.
no, they needed to go home. AJ worked all day, so did she. So, no, I told her we'd get together sometime. She could show me some tips. She made such good signs. And she was working for you. Okay, so next I'm going to use the gold. Rishi.
Don't know why it's called that. It's pretty. And it had that white with it.
How do you spell it?
R-I.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking like those tops and swimsuits.
R-I-S-H-I.
I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know that ruched up places or sides or tops or
R-I-S-H-I.
Huh. Okay.
I don't know.
Don't know either. All right.
It's pretty.
This is a really stiff ribbon too. I think I'll just do 2 loops with it and bring them down to about 3.5 inches. Well, that was pretty fancy. Let's go ahead and do 2 loops on each side. It's almost got a.
I can put this one in my bookshelves.
Oh yeah, with your.
But that up there in the front, hey Jackie, the one up in the mantle is kind of black, gold, and silver.
Oh, okay.
Me and Rachel, we used every old decoration I have. We have lots of themes going on in there. It's pretty with just those 2.
Well, I could have made this where there no tails coming down, the tails are going out all over. I should have thought about that.
That's kind of what I meant with the cherry bow. No, I don't know how to do that. Hey Kelly, everybody's doing good today. He went with me to Walmart.
It couldn't take being homebound any longer.
He had his cane. He had his cane. I had told him he could push the buggy, but he wanted to walk with his cane. So and then I've noticed he's using the cane to push stuff out of the way. Like,
Be careful, you'll get
I
right
know.
across the
Yeah, he's
knuckles.
yeah. We went to eat last night at the Mexican place
It's my birthday.
for Mom's birthday, and he made it. He made it okay there, and then he went to Walmart and
I don't think he was too happy about Maggie's remark about it being plenty of room he could get in with his walker.
yeah, no, he's we have just
To give him grief over that.
yeah. They, well, last year the kids, they got us, or me and David, they made those awkward photos, like the JCPenney photo shoot. They're hilarious because they're
So
funny.
funny.
They're funny. And so this year, I hope David's not watching, but this year they're taking his white tights and his walker and that fall risk and they're making more. I hope he's not watching. So anyway, they've been and they're practice. They've been,
And they were dressed up in these like 60s and 70s type clothes.
Maggie had her hair crinkled and
None of them smiling.
no, they were no. It was
They were so
so
funny.
funny.
Okay, so now we're just going to spread that out. I think this time I'm going to use like a little bit of black to go across
I'll
that
put it
center.
back in your box.
Okay.
And then today's the anniversary. How many years? You never did say.
56.
I said 56.
I didn't hear 56. Were you on my good side?
And I am on your good side. I never know.
I'm deaf on one side. Overnight. Lost my hearing overnight.
It's a fun time.
Until
Fun time.
dramatic.
Yeah. Yeah. I'd rather have Daddy's trimmer than my hearing. Probably have both. Oh, we have not tried the sticky steak. I have one at home. I need to bring you to try.
I needed one when I did those. Of course, I didn't do them from Trendy Tree. I did on my website. I did those. Get that Halloween sign down there. I had to take a tongue blade and secure it to the top of my sign, and one of her little things would have been exactly what I needed. I took two tongue blades and stapled it to the top of my sign.
Most people would use a popsicle stick.
Popsicle stick. That's a pop. Well, it's a tongue blade.
It's a tongue blade to us, but a popsicle stick.
Okay, popsicle stick.
Most folks.
And then that way I had something up here to attach my bow to. So her product would work.
Yeah.
You need to see if she'll let you wholesale that.
I do. I need to talk to her. I need to ask her.
Then you just don't fluff it out. Pull the tails down. That white ribbon is really stiff.
Yeah, that crystal shine is.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. He sold it. Damon sold out of them. They were.
Oh, was he?
Yeah, he had. I need to ask her. She's staying busy.
I bet. Well, she sounded like she's working on something else too.
Yeah, she is. She is, man.
She's got a bright mind.
She does. Let's see. And her husband has Alzheimer's.
Oh no!
Yeah. He's still helping her some.
No.
Mm-hmm. Do not cut my nail.
I did not know that. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So she's caregiver too, but there goes. that right where you want it?
Mhm. You know, you actually could do that and then still secure that side to the wreath.
Yeah.
And if you wanted to, like, sometimes your mesh is so pretty that you just don't need ribbon strips. And but you could put a little bow like that on your sign, and